What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I've always talked about doing this on the channel, or at least to my car in general, and a lot of you guys have reached out to me and told me this is what I need to start doing. That way I can keep control of the knock control on this car. For those of you that live in California or don't have 93 available around the area, a lot of people end up running 91 with 1 gallon or 1.2 gallons of E85. You're not converting it to 93, but you are giving it cleaner gas. And in the manual of this car, it does say that you are allowed, that the car is able to read up to 15% of ethanol. I did some research. I hit up a lot of you guys, and a lot of you guys are just saying, bro, just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Now, I'm not going to fill it up and then say, oh my God, this is the end of the video. Like, no, this is probably going to be like a 2-week span on the video because I want to see how it is with 2 full ups. So right now we're going to go to the gas station. We're going to fill 1 gallon of E85, and then we're going to fill the rest up with 91. Since, like I said, right here in California, we don't have 93, which sucks. I do a lot of normal driving with this car, and every now and then I'll do a pull. But dude, car was sitting, look at the knock control, it's at 67. Like 67, it's jumping from 63, like it's jumping all over the place because it's idling right now. And my car's just sitting here. So I don't like the fact that after 1 or 2 pulls, it just jumps up. So what I'm gonna do, drive it just a little bit home. By the time I get home, I should be almost at empty, and we'll be chilling right there. So dude, after a full tank, 46 bucks. So with the E85, it was probably like almost 50 bucks. All right. I'm not gonna lie, it's stupid for me to say that I'm nervous, because like last thing I want to do is mess something up on the car. But I mean, everyone's saying that they run a gallon of E85, so let's go ahead and see how it is, boy. I'm gonna go ahead and let the car, well, I still gotta drive home. I got like 20 miles to get home, so I'm just gonna drive home, let the gas mix in there, and then I'll do a couple pulls and see if that thing goes up. So been driving around for about maybe 15-20 minutes. I put in at least 15 to 20 miles in, so the gas should be mixed in pretty good. It was all highway, so still at 49, still at 40, knock control still at 0.49, 46, 48, 49, 48, 48, 49. It's just jumping around right now. I'll do a semi pull right here. Let's see. Wow. Okay, I don't know, but I'm gonna, okay, oh my God, can't even speak. Put my window up, that way you guys can hear me a little bit better. So this is on map 1, on the Phereable map 1. So I'm not pushing the most amount of PSI on it, but I don't know if it's because it's cold outside, so it's a quote unquote boost season. Doing like a semi pull, dude, the car pulled a lot better. Like the book dyno says that was a lot smoother, 19 PSI. Knock control still at 49. But yeah, like I said, this is gonna be, I'm gonna go ahead and do more pulls tomorrow once the sun comes out, and I'm gonna try it on map 2 just to see how it feels. But one small pull on map 1 felt a lot smoother, a lot better. Still at 49, hasn't jumped. We're gonna go ahead and see right there, so I'll catch you guys in a bit. Is that Camry gonna take the light? He took the light! I got you on camera, mofo! He took the light! Dude. Second gear feels so good! That feels so good! Alright, cool. A couple days later, decided to wait because it rained yesterday for like the first time in forever. So I didn't want to do anything in rain. Just got off of work. Stay. Go to third gear. Nice thing about it is that the freeway is just right here. So I am on map 2, which I believe is 21 PSI. So let's go ahead and see how she pulls right here. I'm gonna do like a 35 roll. Well, 40 roll it is. Oh my god. Yeah, that yeah, there's nobody here. Okay, cool. Yeah, that pulls really, really good. Holy shit. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. Okay, 0.51. Yeah, that should have jumped a lot. Downshift one more time. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Yeah, map 1 surprised me a lot more. I will tell you that. Map 1 did surprise me a lot better, a lot more than map 2. Only because map 1 feels so sluggish on 91, and I know this doesn't magically turn your gas into 93, like I know that, but it's very, very similar to like an octane booster, is from my understanding. I'm sure there's plenty of other people out there that would describe it a lot better than I can, and there's plenty of other videos with better information out there. I just wanted to share my experience with you guys on this. I feel like map 2 does pull a little bit harder, but like I said, map 1 did surprise me a lot better. Now 0.52, usually it'll be like on the high 60s, low 70s, which, you know, not control, brother. Bringing it back another day, so check it out. Still getting, we got about 40 miles left, still getting 35 miles per gallon. Knock control has been chilling at 49. It's probably gone up maybe to 53 after an extensive amount of pulls off camera. So it didn't go up anymore. So right now, I'm almost at empty. So I'm gonna go to the gas station right now, and I'm probably gonna fill up like 0.8, maybe 0.9 of a gallon. I don't think I'm ever gonna need to go more than 1 gallon, mainly because obviously if you run more E85 in the car, that's gonna be really bad. But just so that you guys are aware, I've been doing this for about a week. This is 1 full tank that I've done with it. I'm gonna do it again. Honestly, I have nothing bad to complain about it. It actually gave me more of a peace of mind knowing that my knock control does have a lot lower count. So the nice thing about it is that it's not 93 octane. Like, it is for a fact not 93 octane. It is more of just giving you cleaner gas, because here in California, we don't have the cleanest gas out there. It's good, it's great, but it's not the best. I even looked into it on why we don't have 93, and it's because of the CARB. California Air Restriction Board, I think that's what it's called, the CARB. People ask if it's CARB legal. That's what it is I've looked into it, and they said that I guess cars that run 93 blow off way too much fumes. And like, look, I know there's more into it, but that's basically what my understanding was, is because it's CARB, and that's why we don't have it here in California. So the next best thing, run 1 gallon of E85 and fill up the rest with 91. But here's the thing, on a stock Civic Si, I don't think you'll be benefiting it as much as with a tune, mainly because it's stock. That's what the stock tune is made for. You don't really need to worry about it. But the nice thing about it is if you do want to run it, there are no setbacks. Overall, it makes your car a lot more responsive, and it just gives it cleaner gas. The next step for it is probably going to be a flex fuel kit, just because I don't want anything to mess up. So a flex fuel kit definitely is going to be next on the list. I am still running stock clutch, because you guys are still going to ask me. I'm still running stock clutch. Still have the same bolt-ons. I haven't changed anything up. If anything, I might be able to run the Phereable R tune, but then I'm risking slipping the clutch because of the more torque that it produces. So I'm probably still going to chill on this tune in the meantime until I decide to upgrade the clutch on the car. I might give that tune a try, I don't know, or I might just go straight to flex fuel and run like E20 or E30. I don't know yet. It just depends on what the situation is, but as of right now, I'm chilling with it. I feel like this is exactly how it was. I'm gonna tell you right now, it does not make your car faster, but it did make it respond a lot better. It doesn't feel sluggish anymore. Map 1, I'm not gonna lie, I've always ran it in Map 2 because of how sluggish Map 1 was, but now that I've been running it with that, I've actually been dailying it on Map 1 now, and I still do a constant pull here and there, and everything's fine. I don't know if I just got a unicorn of a car, or you know what I mean? Like, I feel like I mentioned before, I feel like the 10th gen on the 2020, I feel like they fixed it, but who knows? It's only a matter of time before the clutch starts slipping, so whatever. Oh, but check this out. Real quick before I end the video, I actually ended up picking up a side skirt from Venton's Auto Works. So I'm gonna be putting on some side skirts on the car, and then in the rear, I finally ended up pulling the trigger on the Type R style rear diffuser. So that should be chilling right there on that. But just got the car cleaned up. This is how she's sitting right now. I have nothing but good things to say about this car. Eventually I'll be getting a clutch in the car, and eventually I'll be getting big turbo and a turbo inlet piping. I'll be getting a custom tune after that, but for right now, this is how the car is sitting. I have no complaints on it. My knock control has been lower. It's been from 0.49 to 0.52. You know, like, that's the highest I've seen it. So obviously I'm going to be very careful with it. I am going to get the PRR flex fuel kit, but that's within time. That should be within the next 2-3 months, actually, maybe even earlier. So yeah. Anyways, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe. It really does help your boy out. I do got more things coming in for this car, and I'll see you in another video. You guys have a good day.